You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more Russian pronunciations, useful vocabulary and names of famous places in Russia, make sure to stay tuned. The park in Moscow, Moskva. ВДНХ. That's your Russian pronunciation here. ВДНХ. ВДНХ is how you say it in Russian. And now you know. ВДНХ. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.